Is Snapchat down for you? You're not alone. A massive global outage hit yesterday on May 4, 2025, and we've got all the details. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's get into it. Millions of users worldwide can't send snaps, log in, or upload content. What's going on with Snapchat? Stick around to find out why this outage is trending and how you can stay connected. On May 4, 2025, Snapchat went dark for users across the globe, from the UK, France, and other countries. According to Down Detector, 57% of users were locked out, 24% couldn't share snaps, and 18% faced upload issues. This wasn't just a small glitch. Thousands of reports flooded in from several cities. Social media blew up with frustrated users asking, is Snapchat down for everyone? Here's the kicker. Snapchat hasn't said a word about what caused this mess. Tech experts are guessing it's a server-side issue or maybe a buggy update. No official statement yet, leaving users in the dark. Some folks found a workaround, using a VPN to get back online. But why should you need a VPN for Snapchat? It's raising big questions about regional server problems. This outage hit hard. In the UK and France, people reported the same login and sharing issues. Down Detector's heat map showed trouble spots worldwide, proving this was a true global outage. Whether you're snapping with friends or keeping up with the stories, this disruption was a buzzkill for Snapchat's 800 million users. So what can you do? If Snapchat's still down for you, try a VPN as a temporary fix. Clear your app cache or check for updates, but don't hold your breath. Snapchat needs to step up with answers. Have you been hit by this outage? Let us know in the comments. Where are you from and what issues are you seeing? That's the latest on Snapchat's global outage. Stay tuned to GadInsider for more tech updates. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a scoop.